You can easily change the theme color in Skype to match your preferences, so let's look how to do this. First of all, let's look at Skype desktop app. Open Skype and log in to your Skype account. Next, click on Profile Picture at the top left corner in Skype window. Select Settings from the menu. Click on Appearance tab in the left pane. Under Color, you can select your desired color to look for text in Skype. You can see Preview just above it. You can choose modes either light or dark or even as per system settings. You can also choose high contrast light or dark theme as well. I prefer dark and green color theme, so I will set to that. In this way we change theme in Skype desktop app. Now let's look how to do same in Skype mobile app. Click on profile icon at the top. Next click on settings in the drop-down. Next select appearances and select your preferred theme. In this way you can change theme in Skype. Hope you like this. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.